Let me wear first my tints from DM Cosmetics. It's in the shade of Athena, by the way. Blend, blend, blend. I really love this gel tints. Unboxing time. Yay, I'm so excited. First, this is my order for my customers. There's always a freebie. Finally, my PR package. OMG, I'm so excited. Ta-da! Whoa. Oh, my second lip gloss from Cosmetics. Wow, CEO sent me a pearl hair clips. Oh, I love it. Thumbs up. Thank you, CEO, for the K-pads. Adidas shirt, which is very comfy and it fits to all. I ordered this one before as a gift. Wow, a sling bag. You can check this out on their Shoppee store at OmniWhite Beauty. Just wait for my next update with this product on my FB page. Thank you so much, CEO, OmniWhite Beauty, and DM Cosmetics. Thank you for watching. XOXO.